Well, the Intermountain Healthcare St. George Regional Hospital ICU is at capacity once again, but according to local public health officials, vaccination rates are rising. ABC4's Southern Utah correspondent Jordan Verdadero has that angle.
Yes, the patients come first, but at some point, our families do deserve us occasionally as well, and it's been hard to get home.
Caregivers are struggling to keep up with yet again another surge in the intensive care unit at the St. George Regional Hospital.
We do occasionally see people who have received the vaccine, and it's not 100%. We do see some, but the vast majority of our patients are the unvaccinated, especially those patients who are sick enough to make their way onto a ventilator in the ICU.
However, vaccination rates are rising in Southwest Utah. Public health officials say likely due to concerns with the Omicron variant.
We've got roughly maybe 50% of eligible residents fully vaccinated.
Leaders from the Southwest Utah Public Health Department say about 80% of the older population is vaccinated, but they'd like to see those numbers rise all across the board.
Take the precautions we've encouraged since the pandemic started, actually, and that's if you are older or have an underlying health condition, to be especially careful when you're out in public, crowded indoor spaces, to avoid those if possible, to wear a mask if you're in that situation, and really for anyone to have the courtesy that, again, if you're in public, especially indoors where you can't socially distance, to consider wearing that mask.
Officials say positive COVID-19 cases are up again this week, and healthcare workers worry another surge may happen after Christmas. Reporting in St. George, Jordan Verdadero, ABC4 News.